In this video, I'll break down the best gaming PC build under $1,500. This build will give you great performance and get you the best bang for your buck. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the components of the build, check out the links in the description and comments as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. Starting off with the motherboard, we have the MSI Pro B650S. The MSI motherboard excels in supporting the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 and 8000 series processors, making it a robust choice for our high-performance build. This ATX motherboard features DDR5 memory support, allowing for speeds up to 7,200 MHz, which significantly enhances multitasking and overall system performance. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E ensures high-speed, reliable wireless connectivity, while the 2.5G LAN provides a superior wired network experience. For storage, the board offers dual M2 slots with PCIe 4.0 support, ensuring rapid data transfer rates. The Lightning Gen 4 PCIe and M2 solutions deliver up to 64 GB per second bandwidth, ideal for demanding applications. Additionally, the motherboard includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 and 2 Type-C ports for fast data transfer and versatile connectivity options. The enhanced power design and core boost technology ensure stable and efficient power delivery, supporting more cores and better performance. Next up, the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. The AMD Ryzen 5 7600X excels in gaming performance, making it a strong contender for gamers and enthusiasts. This processor features 6 cores and 12 threads, with a base clock speed of 4.7 GHz and a boost clock of up to 5.3 GHz. Built on the Zen 4 architecture and a 5 nanometers process, it offers significant improvements over its predecessor. Single-core performance is particularly impressive, which translates to excellent gaming capabilities. In synthetic benchmarks, the Ryzen 5 7600SX consistently outperforms the previous generation, showing a 19% increase over the Ryzen 5 5600X. However, it runs hot, necessitating a robust cooling solution. Up next, we need a CPU cooler, and we've gone with the Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120. The Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 is a standout air cooler offering exceptional performance at an affordable price. One of its best features is its top-tier cooling efficiency, which rivals more expensive models. The cooler features a dual-tower heatsink design with 7 copper heat pipes and a nickel-plated copper base, ensuring maximum thermal dissipation. It comes with 2 TLC12 BEVA 2 120mm fans, which are optimized for low noise and high airflow, operating up to 1,500 revolutions per minute and delivering up to 66.17 CFM. The Phantom Spirit 120 is compatible with a wide range of sockets, including Intel LGA 1700 and AMD AM5, which we will be using, making it versatile for various builds. Its compact size and 42mm RAM clearance ensure it fits well in most cases without obstructing other components. Now we need a graphics card, and we've gone with the PNY Verto GeForce RTX 4070Ti. The PNY Verto GPU excels in energy efficiency and performance. It features a triple slot, triple fan cooler that ensures good thermal management and quiet operation. The card boasts a boost clock of 2625 MHz and 16 GB of GDDR6X memory on a 256-bit bus, making it well suited for 4K gaming and demanding applications. Key features include DLSS 3 for enhanced frame generation, improved ray tracing capabilities, and support for AV1 hardware encode and decode. The card also includes a 16-pin power cable adapter and a backplate for added durability. However, it lacks DisplayPort 2.0 support and manual power limit increases, which could limit advanced overclocking. Next up, we need storage, and we've gone with the Levin JPS 800. The Levin 2TB SSD stands out for its impressive performance, offering sequential read speeds up to 5,000 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 4,400 megabytes per second. Utilizing the PCIe Gen 4 interface and NVMe 1.4 standard, this SSD is designed for high-speed data transfer, making it ideal for gaming, video editing, and other data-intensive applications. The M220 2280 form factor ensures compatibility with most modern motherboards, and the included graphene thermal pad and heat sink effectively manage heat dissipation, maintaining optimal performance under heavy loads. Additionally, the drive comes with a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind regarding its durability and reliability. Now, we need some RAM, and we've gone with the Silicon Power X-Power Zenith Gaming 32GB kit. The Silicon Power X-Power Zenith offers impressive performance with its high-speed 6000 MHz frequency and low latency of CL30. This memory kit is designed for gamers and overclockers, featuring a durable aluminum heatsink available in black or white, ensuring effective heat dissipation and thermal management. The modules operate at a voltage of 1.35 volts, which is relatively low for DDR5, contributing to energy efficiency and stable performance. The memory supports Intel XMP 3.0 for easy overclocking and includes on-die error correction code for improved stability. The height of 38.5mm ensures compatibility with larger cooling systems. We now need a place for all these components, so for the case, we've gone with the Fractal Design Pop Air RGB ATX mid-tower case. The Fractal Design case stands out with its vibrant color accents and excellent airflow capabilities. The case features a unique honeycomb patterned mesh front that not only enhances aesthetics, but also serves as an effective dust filter. It comes with three 120mm Aspect 12 RGB fans, ensuring efficient cooling out of the box. The case supports up to 5 fans and radiators up to 280mm in the front, 240mm on top, and 120mm at the rear, making it versatile for various cooling setups. Internally, the Pop Air RGB offers ample storage options, including 2 5.25-inch bays, 2 3.5-inch drive bays, and 4 2.5-inch SSD mounts. The tempered glass side panel allows for a clear view of the components, adding to its visual appeal. Cable management is straightforward with multiple tie-down points and pre-mounted cable ties. While it lacks a front USB-C port, an upgrade kit is available. And finally, we now need something to power this beast, and we've gone with the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850V V2. The Cooler Master PSU is a high-performance power supply unit with 80+ gold certification, ensuring over 90% efficiency at typical loads. It features a fully modular design, which helps reduce cable clutter and improve airflow. The unit includes 2 EPS connectors and multiple PCIe connectors, making it suitable for high-end gaming setups. The 120mm HDB fan ensures silent operation, even under load, and the power supply can deliver full power at temperatures up to 47 degrees Celsius. It also boasts high-quality Japanese capacitors, enhancing its durability and reliability. Additionally, the MWE Gold 850V V2 comes with a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind. So that sums up the PC build I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.